Bonding ISO flanges to ATS duct. ISO flange connections are similar to the H collar, but without set screws. The face of the ISO flange is made of fiberglass and must be kept smooth and blemish-free. Never place the flange face on an unclean surface or slide the flange face down on any surface. Begin by selecting parts A and B for the ISO flange putty kit with blue labels. Pour all of part B into the part A jar containing the Chem Bond putty, making sure to remove hardener from the corners of the jar. Thoroughly mix the hardener into the putty, again scraping putty from the corners of the jar to ensure a complete blended mix. Mix for a few minutes to achieve a smooth, peanut butter-like consistency. Using an applicator, apply a thin layer to the inside bond area of the ISO flange. Smooth the putty mix layer evenly around the complete inner collar surface and push the putty mix down into the receiving channel. Once the channel has been smeared with putty mix, smooth out the putty around the inside surface. Apply a liberal amount of putty to the outside surface of the adjoining duct end. Spread evenly to the approximate depth of the ISO collar. Apply putty mix to the end of the duct to seal the cut edge. Place the flange face on a freshly cleaned table surface. Insert the duct into the collar and seat the duct end completely into the receiving channel of the ISO flange. Be sure the connection is plumb and level. Smooth the putty mix around the outside seam parameter and also smooth the putty mix evenly along the inside seam. Make sure the groove in the flange face for the centering ring is free from putty mix. Putty mix can be removed from the groove and flange face using isopropyl alcohol and a clean cloth. Check again to make sure the duct connection is plumb and level.